got a Sprite. The view is so pretty. What the hell? You guys don't know how much I slept on this couch. This couch, I will talk about it later. Like, I just ordered food. I'm so proud of myself. Hopefully it will come. I'm not sure of that. I got a Sprite and then I got some wait a minute, bear with me. Tenders, garlic rice, burger, all the things. I don't remember. This is oh, that's for oh Seigneur, merci. Back. I'm sorry for all the mess that you can see behind me. I went to the Apple store because I wanted some headphones for my iPad. I also wanted to read a French book. I finished the one that I had. So I got this book, Celui qui revient. Earlier I went to Daiso to get some few things. So I got this because I need to do my eyebrows. Use that little stickers when I like finished a book and I like it. I will put the stickers on. I got that because why not, some cushion. And then I got this. I used to carry this one, but I think it's the same. That's the same size. No, this one is a little bit smaller. If you want to see some pads, some cleaning stuff, a mirror, lighter, sunscreen, lip product, perfume that I want to talk about it because that shit cost me so much, and some eyebrows that I use for my eyebrows and for my lips because that's the color of my lips. My charge. And I went to Muji because only Muji have my favorite like pencil. I got two pens, 0.5, and this one is also 0.5 but it's in black. Oh my god. Okay, let's be serious. I will film like that so you cannot see my eyebrows. I'm sorry. Today is a cheat day because I got my period and I'm so tired. Like, I just want like to lay down and don't go outside. So I will stay here for like the day, and tonight I have to meet up with a friend. So hopefully tonight will be a little better. If not, I will take some medicine. I got delivered some food, but I didn't know it will be that big. Like, damn, back at it again with the white pants. I'm still managing, okay, guys? And don't ask me how I get like the delivery things, because I don't have a Korean number and even a Korean card. I don't remember what I ordered, so there's some eggs, I think, tteokbokki, I think. I'm not sure. 2 rice because your girl love rice. I don't remember the name. I just look at the picture and the food seems good, so I get that. We are going to see Pauline and Mathilde. The outfit is not cute, but it is what it is.
What's a car good for without an engine? Or these songs, if you don't want to hear them.
In like an outdoor party. You see the same art.
Do I look a little funny? Life is worth living, so live another day. This is the little outfit of the day. The shoes are from Adidas. Light, please. The jean is for H&M. I think this is from Shein back in the days. I don't remember. This jacket I got it in a random shop last year in Korea. And the top is from Uniqlo. The bag is from Weekday. Guys, I'm so sorry I don't remember where is this cafe is, and I just remember that it was near the palace, I think. And the next cafe I went to was also a mystery. I don't remember. And this book was the worst book that I never read in my life. I don't know what did she write in this book. That doesn't make any sense for me. But the coffee was good. But the books was the worst book I never read in my life. So if anyone wanted it, I will give it to you. Okay, bye. Okay, the place was really good. The food and the tea was amazing, but the only thing that I remember in this coffee shop is that the owner was crying in the back, and I think it was her father was there also trying to manage everything, and her sister or some of her family too. It was so embarrassing, so embarrassing. Quite the same like yesterday, but a little bit different.
Comment expliquer que je fais que j'ai raté 2 fois la direction. Je me suis trompée 2 fois. Et je comprends rien. La ligne 9, elle est trop compliquée. J'arrive pas à croire qu'ils ont le sac rouge que j'ai, mais en petit. Je te confie ma vie, mais mon combat m'a pas paye. Si tu le perds, t'es dans la merde. Ah, c'est bien. Je suis sûre qu'on va en trouver dans les alentours.
She's on big businesses.
Trying to find.
Meuf, comment tu fais ton trait d'eyeliner?
Ah non, mais me demande pas, j'ai vraiment c'est de la grosse merde au sol.
Ah mon dieu, on est rentré dans un resto et tout, grave mignon. Qui n'a pas assez de cash?
Bah, moi j'en ai juste jamais.
Elle en a pas.
C'est la chose que j'avais une fois dans ma vie. Je dis, c'est vraiment jamais.
C'est pas comme moi. Il y a toujours du cash sur vous. La meuf, elle commande des trucs et après. Vas-y, fais des bêtises.
Non, en vrai, j'ai
Voilà, voilà. J'ai pris poulet mayo. Ouais, j'ai buggy. Guys, don't make fun of my blurring system. I don't have the money for CapCut Premium, so you have to deal with that.
I did a lot of shopping today. I spent all my money on this trip, so we never talk about the money I spent in here. Thank you. This is the last day in this apartment. I'm leaving.
Ça a été les cours?
Ouais, c'était long.